Got an inside pocket. I think all jackets should have inside pockets. When I was a kid, I didn't even want the jacket if it didn't have an inside pocket. But it's a...
Hey, Bluegrass, can we go thrift shopping?
Hello, YouTube world. My name is Anthony Long. Welcome back to the Bluegrass Picker channel. You came back? Why? I'm sure glad you did. Garage sales. Community-wide garage sales. It was a cold morning. It was rainy. So I knew it was the best time to go to garage sales because everybody else could stay at home and I'm not. First thing I bought, and I spent $33. And it wasn't like terribly great, but it was pretty good. This was a Polaroid, and I've never seen the extension. I don't know if this is like an extension you put on. I've never seen the flash like this. But this is an old Polaroid. I've sold a lot of Polaroids. They almost always go for 20 to 25 bucks. I think I've sold 19 of them. I bought a big lot a couple years ago at a garage sale for 20 bucks. And I got some other stuff too with it. And I figured for $1, it was worth it. The Velcro's come off, but I can Gorilla Glue that on and clean it up a little bit. It's not even that dirty. She said her son was a film guy in college, so this was his, and he left it. And I was like, do you have any more? And she's like, no, this is the only thing he left. I'm like, yeah, probably. I'm not surprised. But anyway, I figure $1 into 20, not bad. Next thing is sold. I'm so used to saying that. Next thing I picked up was these 4 CDs for $2, 50 cents a piece. Some of them, I'm going to listen to this one. Looks good. It's a blues guitarist, and that's the steel sounding guitar. I love those. It sounds so cool. Can't wait to listen to that. The Unplugged collection, and it has Stevie Ray Vaughan, Pride and Joy, which I'm pretty excited to listen to. Eric Clapton, Lenny Kravitz, Paul Simon, Neil Young, Mellencamp, Paul McCartney even, Don Henley, REM, 10,000 Maniacs. Anyway, that should be fun to listen to, just to listen to, and then I'll probably sell it at my booth. And then these two, Nickelback. And you know, they get so much hate for being terrible musicians or whatever, but you sell that many albums, you can't be that bad musicians. I can listen to them. It doesn't really bother me that bad. Anyway, my buddy, I could send these to him and he would like them anyway. What's that one song? I forget. How You Remind Me is on here. But for $2, I know I could sell these in my booth for a decent amount of money. And this one probably would be my better deal. And I got all these for $30. And this was a representative for Nestle, and she was a representative for M&M or Mars. And this was a extra large, yeah, extra large M&M shirt. I know everybody loves their M&Ms. I got quite a few here. St. Louis Rams jersey. She had $4 on it. I didn't really talk her down. It was like 31 for everything, and I just said $30 all right. She's like, yeah. But this jersey I know will sell in my, because there's no more LA Rams or St. Louis Rams. It's LA Rams now, and it's a Reebok, so it's nothing special. But I believe that's Kurt Warner's number. Anyway, this one I thought was cool. $5. It's a Garfield denim shirt, and that's the patch sewed on. So I thought, shoot, that's a... I didn't even look to see what the size was. Still don't see it. Anyway, I figured that would sell decent on eBay, but we'll see. Next thing was this Mickey Mouse golf shirt, and it's got the patch emblem, Walt Disney World tag there, and I believe it was extra large, medium, and it's a kind of a blue navy color, and she had $5 on it. Kind of bought this for myself just because I love this kind of material, and it's water repellent basically. It repels fairly easy, and it's got the soft lining. It's got an inside pocket. I think all jackets should have inside pockets. When I was a kid, I didn't even want the jacket if it didn't have an inside pocket. But it's a small, but it fits me perfectly. It must be big small. Port Authority, I think, is a decent name. And it's got the Nestle emblem on there. And I believe this was $4 too. But I'll probably keep that for a while and then sell it in my booth. And I thought this was a really good one. I didn't pick it out. Might as well pick it out. This is like a gym bag. It's got the St. Louis Blues emblem on there. Tag still on it. So I'll probably sell this on eBay. And if it doesn't sell very fast, I'll just take it and put it in my booth because it'll sell. I didn't even really take it out and look. It's pretty nice. Yeah, for $5. I probably could have talked her down a little bit. I should have tried a little bit, but she didn't really want to go down $1 because she had pretty good prices. And this is another thing in it. It was $1, and it's a wrap for your truck or car. And I don't really need one, but it's a St. Louis Cardinals one, so I know it'll sell in my booth for $10. I figure that's a good deal. And basically, since it's $1, this is the freebie out of it. And actually, I guess I would have spent $34 because and I got this one, and this was, I believe, $5. Dale Earnhardt. It's got the patch on it. It's a medium. I'm pretty sure this isn't single stitch. No, let me see. No, but Dale Earnhardt, it sells well. I could put this on eBay. Probably make some money on that one. Probably $20. The last thing I bought was $1 for a throw. And this is just a throw to put on the couch. My dogs have eaten one of the throws, so this is just for me. I like the colors. Anyway, let's see, 31, yeah, so $33 for all those things. It wasn't great, but it was just nice to get out there and try to find some treasure. I'm pretty sure I can get $100 out of all that. So not too bad, but nothing special. But boy, it's just fun to get out there and look for treasure. It was a community wide, so I probably went to 8 to 10 that day and only found 3 spots, anything. 4 spots. And 3 of them, it was just one thing. And today I went to another community-wide garage sale, and it was rainy and cold again. There was nothing. And it was a really nice neighborhood. And I find that a lot here. The nice neighborhoods, they're really trying to get rid of their junk. You always think they're going to get rid of some of their good stuff, but I find the best ones at like trailer parks and stuff where, I don't know, around here, the community-wide ones don't always, it's just nice to be able to hit them quick and go from one to the next, but it seems like those get picked over quicker, even though I get there fast, where they just don't have that good of stuff. And I never find video games in those places. And so when I'm looking for video games, they're never in the really nice neighborhoods. But I don't know. Comment below if you have some, if you find that you have the same kind of things, and comment below if you found some stuff in garage sales this weekend. But grind on, friends.
Bye from Bluegrass Pickers. Stay tuned.